Every living thing is built from a genetic blueprint, DNA. But this blueprint isn't static. It can change. These changes, or mutations, are the fundamental source of life's incredible diversity. They are the engine of evolution itself. A mutation can be as small as a single letter swapped in our genetic code, a point mutation, or as large as an entire section of a chromosome being deleted or duplicated. These alterations can be caused by simple errors during DNA replication or by environmental mutagens like UV radiation. While some of these changes can lead to genetic disorders, many are neutral, and some are even beneficial, providing an advantage in a certain environment. This constant stream of mutations creates genetic variation, the subtle DNA differences that make each of us unique. Without variation, a population cannot adapt to changing conditions, making it vulnerable to extinction. It's the reason some individuals have higher fitness, like the classic example of heterozygote advantage in sickle cell disease, where carrying one copy of the mutation provides resistance to malaria. Understanding this interplay between mutation and variation has unlocked a powerful capability, the ability to read our own genetic code. This is the world of genetic screening. Newborn screening programs test infants for treatable conditions like phenylketonuria, or PKU, preventing severe disability with a simple dietary change. Carrier screening helps prospective parents understand their risks for passing on recessive disorders, enabling informed decisions. Cancer screening can identify inherited mutations like BRCA1, empowering people to take preventative measures against breast or ovarian cancer. This knowledge represents a profound shift in medicine. We've moved from simply observing heredity to actively interpreting its molecular basis. We can now read the code that writes our story, giving us unprecedented insight into our health, our risks, and our shared evolutionary journey.